Hello everybody. Just a short video to correct some inaccuracies on my original sketch. I originally put this sketch together here before I had the impeller off. And once I got it off, I realized that in fact the motor crankshaft is just a tapered shaft, and the hole down through the impeller, which is going to be hard to see here, but the hole down through the impeller is just a tapered hole. I'm looking at it from the top side of the impeller here. You're probably used to seeing it from the back side of the impeller here, where you can see those threads. But it's just a tapered hole, so all those steps that I have in my original drawing should have in fact just looked something like this. This is an exaggerated drawing that shows the taper. This section right here is where the belt rides, right here. And the whole reason I have to get the impeller off is because I need to replace the belt. And this pulley rides on the top side of the deck, and this part of the impeller is on the bottom side of the deck, so there's no way to get the belt on without pulling the impeller and lifting the engine off. This doesn't really change anything. So this thread diameter here is larger than this thread diameter here, and that's the whole key and whole trick in making a tool that engages just these threads here, just the red threads and not the black threads. There's a link here that'll take you to the original video showing how I made the impeller removal tool.